See this? We've got significant structural fatigue on the main gear.
It matches the diagnostics. This bird isn't going anywhere until we replace the strut.
This section outlines the reinforcement for the wing spars.
But the alignment on the fuselage seems slightly off.
Check the revision date. This is the updated schematic.
Quet laser initiated. We have significant degradation on the leading edge.
Rerouting the grid to compensate for the distortion.
Pressure looks good. Beginning detachment sequence. And clear. Proceed to holding position.
This level of oxidation is unacceptable. Mark them for scrap.
Look at that. Absolutely flawless, right on spec.
Confirmed.
Moving to the next section.
Lower at 5 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the port side.
Steady, steady. It's seated. Looks good from here, Sarah.
Hit it with the torque wrench now. Okay, I'm showing green. Move to the forward section. Copy that.
It's absolutely pristine. The final coat looks flawless.
It really is immense up close. Are the readings from the sensor array clear?
Kiểm tra cánh.
Yes, we did it! Finally! Great job, partner.
gang.